Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make realistic shadow in Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our Photoshop application and we're going to use the AI feature to create a realistic shadow for our photo. We can go to this option, this generative fill option. Click on this option and then you can choose a photo you want to create a realistic shadow for. And then for example, I'm going to create a realistic shadow for this photo. We can just click on the photo and then we're going to remove the background of this photo. We can click on brush and I'm going to increase the size of the brush to make it faster. Okay, once you're done removing the background, you can click on this replace button and I'm going to type make a shadow for this photo. Then we just need to click on generate right here and just wait for a moment. The AI will generate a background for your photo. Okay, and as you can see guys, there are some results we can apply to our photo. We can choose it one by one like this, and I'm gonna go with this one. And if you are not satisfied with the result, you can click on refresh. Then the AI will generate other backgrounds for you. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a realistic shadow for our photo in the Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.